Hi everyone. It looks like most of you have already turned in the homework, but there were a lot of questions on number 13. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that problem so that you have it for reference. And I apologize, it's going to be a little bit shaky because I'm trying to hold my phone in one hand and write in the other hand, and I'm just not that talented. So the question is the log base 5 of 11 over 60. Okay, and then they want you to rewrite it using x, y, and z, and you are given that the log base 5 of 11 is x. And you are given that the log base 5 of 12 is y. And then you are also given that the log base 5 of 8 is z. Okay, well, I like that I know the log base 5 of 11 because that's in my numerator, so that's cool. That's going to become x. And 60 is 12 times 5. Okay, that's awesome. I have 12, but I don't have 5. Well, you do have 5, and here's the trick, and it's probably what many of you forgot, and that is that the log base 5 of 5 is 1. Now it's going to be not so bad. So I'm going to use the quotient property of logs, which says that when you divide arguments, you subtract logs. You don't divide logs. When you divide arguments, you subtract logs. Subtract logs, not divide logs. That's probably one of the most misinterpreted properties out there. So that's the log base 5 of 11 minus the log base 5 of 60. Okay, cool. So the log base 5 of 11 is x. It's a straight substitution. This equals that. So this equals that. All right, the log base 5 of 60. So that's the log base 5 of 12 times 5. Agreed? 12 times 5 is 60. So now I've got the product property. So the product property says when you multiply logs, you add, I'm sorry, I lied, go back. When you multiply arguments, you add logs. 12, 5, that's an argument. So we're going to add the logs. So that's going to give us x minus the log base 5 of 12, parentheses, 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 plus the log base 5 of 5. And of course, I'm sorry, it's like all running into each other. I'm getting my new little, my tripod this week, and then I can do really great videos with the whiteboard. Until then, you're just going to have to deal with getting dizzy. So x minus the log base 5 of 12 is y. Plus, it becomes plus, no. I've lied to you like 6 times already. Minus the log base 5 of 5. Okay, well, we already determined that the log base 5 of 5 is 1. So minus 1. So the total answer to this, because my handwriting is really bad right now, x minus y minus 1. So just a quick little recap. You have the identity property, which says the log base a of a is 1. So there you have it. We are done reviewing logs for now. I told you, your log life is never over until you are done taking math. It's just one of those deals. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye.